Hello, I'm Stu with Productive Computing, bringing you a fresh outlook on the free FileMaker CRM download. Take a look. If you don't have the free FileMaker CRM download yet, you just go to the FileMaker.com website, click on Learn, and scroll down to the free custom app, and you'll enter in some information here, and you will download that onto your computer. If two heads are better than one, then two free downloads are also better than one. To get a free demo of the Outlook Manipulator plugin, go to productivecomputing.com and to the plugin section. You can scroll down and you will see the plugin demo button. To get a fresh Outlook, you'll also want Microsoft Outlook, which you can even create a free account for if you choose. We will demonstrate using Microsoft Outlook with Exchange. Once you have opened the plugin, you'll want to install and register, but before you authenticate, be sure to have Outlook open, and then you click to authenticate, and you can easily select from any of your Outlook accounts, and you are connected. We're going to get our fresh Outlook by looking at each of these pieces from a little bit of a different perspective using wise sayings over the years. They say a stitch in time saves 9. How much would a script in time save? If we extrapolate that equation, then 5 scripts plus 6 fields plus 1 table plus 1 relationship would be a lot more. We are just going to copy these from the Outlook Manipulator plugin and put them into the FileMaker CRM. We'll copy this one table and paste it in. We'll copy these 5 fields from here and paste them here. And this one field and put that over here. We'll create the one relationship we need. And we'll copy these 5 scripts and paste those in. Now we just need to change a couple of script steps to match our fields and tables and relationships. We can modify things on the layout so we have what we need for our buttons and add the new Outlook ID field that we created. And now if we show Outlook side by side with our FileMaker CRM and we click our button, we can see it shows up almost instantly in Outlook. And we also have the Outlook ID. So if we wanted to make any changes to this contact, like maybe his name, and then click the button again, the name changes almost instantly. And yes, the graphs are always cleaner on the other slide panel, because when you have accurate data between Outlook and your FileMaker solution, then your graphs, your tasks, your calendars, everything is going to be much more fun because it is accurate and available. And while there's no such thing as a free lunch forever, there is such a thing as a free plugin for 30 days. And you can get a lot accomplished in 30 days. And after that, there's an affordable licensing fee so you can continue to enjoy all of the features of the Outlook Manipulator plugin. Just as a watched pot never boils, a watched plugin never benefits unless you take action and apply it to your solution. As we near the end of this demo, I'm reminded that time flies when you're having fun. Or A FileMaker developer can save a lot of time and money by using the right tools together to accomplish goals faster, which means more time and money for enjoying other areas of life. I hope you have a fresh outlook on life now and those free downloads. If you want to know more about the FileMaker CRM download, check out Mark's full review on the Productive Computing YouTube channel, or you can go to productivecomputinguniversity.com and see other ways that you can develop your skills through courses to save you time and money.